Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Halloween Drawings. Today we're going to go over how to draw a sickle. You know, like the Grim Reaper, that thing he holds. So we're going to draw it. It's going to be very easy, very simple, so let's get into it. I'm going to grab a marker. So pull back in a curve. Another kind of adjacent, well, not adjacent curve, but it's a curve right next to it. Pull back a little bit tiny more. Pull up. Right there, it's a little bit. Pull into that. These are just really simplistic shapes. We're having the blade that's going to be stuck to the actual post. And I'm going to draw a straight line all the way down. You can draw something here to make it thicker, so it really looks like you can hold it. And then at the back end, I'm going to draw back end here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a thinner line here along the top part. It can be connected, or it doesn't have to be. It can be wiggly like that, but it's just to give it a little bit of dimension. And that's it. That's got to be one of the easiest tutorials on this page. It has to be one of the shortest and easiest. So that's it, guys, with a marker. I hope you followed along. Give me a like, and let's get in the Halloween spirit more and more. I'm really happy. I'm going to be posting every day of Halloween. Hit that like button. Also, don't forget that there are links in the description for other videos and tutorials, and email lists, all this stuff. Check out the description. So talk to you later, and I'll see you soon.